Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you can make smarter buying decisions.
Today we have two dash cams that will capture every moment on the road in stunning 4K resolution. On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Cosuvow dash cam 4K front dash camera for cars. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one deserves a spot in your car.
But first, let's take a closer look at each product.
Let's start with the ROVE R2-4K dash cam.
This beauty records videos in breathtaking 4K Ultra HD resolution.
With its super night vision technology, you'll get clear footage even in low-light conditions.
Plus, it comes with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to manage your recordings instantly on your smartphone. And don't forget the GPS feature, which accurately records your driving location and speed. With all these state-of-the-art features and a price of just $119, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam is definitely a top contender.
Now let's take a look at the Cosuvow dash cam 4K front dash camera for cars.
This dash cam is equipped with an advanced Starvis sensor and a 6-glass lens, ensuring every detail of your drive is captured in Ultra HD 4K resolution.
It also comes with Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to easily view, replay, and share your footage.
The G-sensor and loop recording features provide valuable evidence in case of an accident, and the fashionable mini design won't block your sight while driving.
And guess what? It even comes with a free 32 GB SD card. All of this for just $59. Let's compare the video quality of these two dash cams.
Both cameras record in 4K resolution, but let's see if there's any noticeable difference. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam offers built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to easily manage your recordings on your smartphone. On the other hand, the Cosuvow dash cam also has Wi-Fi app control, which lets you view, replay, and share your footage. It's a tough call, but both options provide convenient connectivity options.
Finally, let's compare the additional features of these dash cams. Both the ROVE R2-4K dash cam and the Cosuvow dash cam 4K front dash camera for cars offer impressive features and stunning 4K video quality. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam stands out with its super night vision technology and built-in GPS, but it comes at a higher price of $119.
On the other hand, the Cosuvow dash cam offers Wi-Fi app control, a free 32 GB SD card, and a 24-hour parking monitor, all for just $59. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget.
That's it for today's comparison.
We hope this video helped you in making a smarter buying decision. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Buy Smart, for more product comparisons and reviews. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like us to compare next. Stay smart and happy shopping!